Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to solve long charging on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. If your device is experiencing slow battery charging problems, here are some steps you can try. First, use the original charger. Make sure you use the charger that came in the box when you purchase your device. The original charger has power that matches the needs of the phone and can charge the battery efficiently. Second, check the charging cable. Make sure the charging cable is not damaged or frayed. If there is any damage, replace it with a new one and make sure it is compatible with your phone. Third, clean the charging port. Sometimes, dirt or dust can hinder battery charging. Use a soft brush or low pressure air to clean the charging port on your phone. Fourth, restart the phone. Try restarting your phone. Sometimes temporary issues can be resolved by restarting. Fifth, check the battery settings. Make sure you don't have battery saving mode or other settings enabled that may limit charging. Check the battery settings in your phone settings menu. Well, that's the tutorial on how to solve a long charging cell phone on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method can also applied on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press the subscribe button for more information.